it's the end of 2021 and I need to take a few days, so I'll do it. You asked for it, so here it is. The official 2021 Red Shirt Jeff Supercut. Wait a second, no. I didn't tell you to actually cut the pie forward, just hold the saw like you're gonna cut it. That's the last time I ask you to help me with one of these videos. No Red Shirt Jeff, absolutely not. I was about to let Red Shirt Jeff go to town on the laptop to see what's inside, but lucky for the focus, he didn't have to do that because I found this article on notebookcheck.net. See what I have to deal with? But I knew I wouldn't be able to fold the metal at a 90-degree angle without the right tool. Red Shirt Jeff told me he wants more radiation to, as he said, mess around with, but I don't think I have the budget for it. Stop! What are you doing? This isn't a teardown video. Someone else already did that. And I was itching to get back to testing the sometimes literally burning hot world of 10 gigabit networking. Plus, many of the runs were Cat5e, which isn't really rated for 10 gig networking. I will say the headphone amp is quite adequate and could drive my cheap cans pretty loud. Ah, revenge. A dish best served cold, and at high velocity. Or what if Red Shirt Jeff pulled one of my hard drives and ramset a nail through it? But I had to nix that idea pretty quickly when he explained his idea for a remote-controlled blowtorch. No, Red Shirt Jeff, that's not how we're gonna open it. But let's be honest, the entire footprint of a basic 2-port Pi 4-based router gets pretty ugly fast. Here's a dramatic reenactment by Red Shirt Jeff. You do you, Red Shirt Jeff. Sometimes a video calls for a Red Shirt Jeff appearance, so I head over to the workshop to see what he's up to and whether he might have something to contribute. How about you give me a little break and head over to the workshop and see what he's up to right now. So that's what our collaboration usually looks like, but I also have to tell him not to burn down the house sometimes. Wait, what? No, Red Shirt Jeff, that's not ready for Dremel. I used it on my Mac and recorded clips with QuickTime and used it for video conferences on Zoom, Google Meet, and even FaceTime. More is always better. Well, maybe not always. There was that time I let Red Shirt Jeff buy an extra bottle of MAP gas. And my lazy Susan was a little off center. But Red Shirt Jeff tested it and gave it a thumbs up, so that's good enough for me. But the I/O board only has a 1x slot, and no, Red Shirt Jeff, I still don't want you to Dremel into the connector on the board. So, a little history. Red Shirt Jeff isn't based on the Star Trek red shirt trope, he's actually based on this comment, which is where his name comes from. What motivates him? Why is he so destructive? How is he so good about PPE? Not sure, but I told him he better stay away from the projects I'm covering in January. In the next month, I'll be diving deeper into the Turing Pi 2. I'll also be testing out Home Assistant's new yellow home automation hub and sharing my privacy-focused setup. And there are other fun things I haven't even started testing, like ArduCam's new autofocus Pi camera. Thanks for watching in 2021, and until next year, I'm Jeff Geerling.